Ever wondered what a war in the future might look like? Forget what you've seen in movies. Picture this. Lagos 2077. The skyline glitters with holographic ads and flying vehicles, but a silent war is raging. This isn't a war of guns and bombs, but a war of information. A real war. Rival city-states and corporate factions battle for control. Not on the streets, but on the global network. Their weapons. AI-generated propaganda, deepfake diplomacy, and viral narratives that can sway public opinion in minutes. A single, perfectly crafted video can topple a leader or crash a market. In this new age, the most powerful soldier isn't the one with the biggest gun, but the creator with the most compelling story. This is the future of conflict, where every view, like, and share is a shot fired in a digital battleground. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know below. Thanks for watching.